Hey everyone, welcome back to the Factory Reproductions channel. My name is Joseph, and today we'll be going over one of our most popular wheels, the FR77 Hellcat HC2 replica wheels. The HC2 was our second generation Hellcat replica wheel. This newer generation has a 5-spoke design, while the older one had a split spoke design. With that, we can move on to sizes and finishes. This wheel is offered in 20 by 9.5, 20 by 11, 22 by 9.5, and 22 by 10.5. Vehicles this will fit on are the rear wheel drive models of the Chargers, the Challengers, the Magnums, and the 300Cs. Finishes offered for this wheel are satin black, bronze, and gloss black. Now we do also offer this wheel in a Ram truck fitment with sizes including 22 by 10 and 24 by 10, but we will be dropping a video soon going over fitments and whatnot, so be sure to stay tuned for that. When opting for the staggered setup on your vehicle, you will most likely be running 20 by 9.5 up front and 20 by 11s in the rear. The common tire sizes are 275 up front and 305 in the rear. If you opt to run 315s in the rear, which is pretty common, we would recommend that you check with your local tire shop just to ensure that you have the proper tire fitments. Now, if you opt to run a squared setup, you can do so with the 20 by 9.5 wrapped in a 275 40-20 for that perfect fitment. Now moving on to the 22-inch options. The most common setups that we see are a 22 by 9.5 in the front and a 22 by 10.5 in the rear. Recommended tire sizes for this wheel are a 265 up front with a 285 in the rear. Again, it's best practice to ensure fitment with your local tire shop before purchasing or installing. There are also a variety of our distributor websites that have wheel and tire configurators. Plugging in your desired wheel and tire info will give you the recommended options for your vehicle. Okay, so that'll do it for the FR77 Hellcat HC2 replica wheels. We will drop a link down below to our website gallery that shows a variety of these wheels on different vehicles, so feel free to check them out. As always, be sure to drop a comment down below or reach us via email at sales@factoryreproductions.com. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and follow us on Instagram at Factory Reproductions. Okay, with that being said, thank you for watching and we'll catch you on the next one.